Okay, so I finished my hair. This is another quick read that I did on my head myself. Seems like the more I'm doing, the easier that it gets. But I really preferred for others to do my quick read and to put it on for me. I chose to use just all straight this time and of the same length. And so this is how it came out. And I used I guess it's called a 27 piece. And just use different sizes all throughout to make it come out like I want. I wanted to have that crispy type of look. So I do aim for that. And I just got to go by the store and pick up, a few hair products and different stuff that I want to use with this. But how is your Sunday going, you all? Got a few things over there on the bed that I've got to fold up in just a little bit. I've been in here doing some cleaning. I got some mirrors and different stuff to put up in here and change out. Curtains, I just did just a few different things in here. But let's get our day started. I hope that your day is going good. I was talking about why I thought people should do the alternate day fast, because I tell you it works so good for me. And I was talking about fasting, how fasting works. And I had gotten to the subject of autophagy. I have my notes in front of me. I got into the subject of autophagy. As we all know, fasting promotes cellular repair primarily through a process that's called autophagy. Let's talk about how autophagy works. Autophagy is a natural self-preservation mechanism where the body removes damaged or dysfunctional parts of a cell and recycles them for energy, and it rebuilds new components. It actually takes out all the trash, takes out all of the junk, and it replaces them and makes room for a healthier cell where everything is regenerated, everything is renewed and is replaced. And this is what autophagy is. Fasting triggers autophagy. When you fast, your body experiences a lack of nutrients. When your body experiences a lack of nutrients, it signals your body to start breaking down and recycling its cellular components. This process helps remove damaged proteins. It helps remove damaged organelles, which promotes cellular repair and renewal. What are some of the benefits of autophagy? Autophagy, one of the main benefits is, like I said, cellular repair. By removing the damaged parts, cells can function more efficiently, more effectively. Like I said, it just takes out all the damaged parts of the cell. Cells, when they become damaged, then it promotes the progression of disease. So if you can trigger autophagy, then autophagy will help remove some of those bad components or bad parts of the cell and renew your cell. It can help regenerate your cell. It can repair your cell. So you see, autophagy is very important, especially if you're trying to, get into better health and to try to avoid a lot of chronic diseases. Autophagy can help you accomplish this. It's even said that autophagy can reverse some things, like it can turn around diabetes. It can help with your high blood pressure. So there are a lot of different benefits that autophagy have by replacing your cellular content. When you fast, like I said, your body experiences a lack of nutrients, and this signals your cell to start breaking down and to start replacing its cellular components. By doing this, this helps disease prevention. Autophagy can help prevent diseases by eliminating potentially harmful cellular debris. by replacing your cellular parts and by renewing your cells. It can also enhance longevity. Enhanced autophagy is associated with increased lifespan and a better overall health for a person. So you see, it has some great benefits as far as autophagy. Now, I learned a lot about fasting the latter part of this year. I wish I would have, took the time to find out more about fasting earlier in the year, because it probably would have helped me to reach my goal a lot faster. I'm having such great results now by using alternate day fasting, so that's why I'm talking about it now. Studies have shown that fasting can boost the regenerative capacity of stem cells, which are crucial for tissue repair and maintenance. In a study, it was found that fasting improves the ability of intestinal stem cells to regenerate, helping the intestine recover from injuries or inflammation. So fasting can improve insulin sensitivity through several mechanisms. A lot of people who are diabetics, they do use fasting to control their diabetes. It can improve your insulin sensitivity. Some mechanisms of improvement: when you fast, your body doesn't need to produce as much insulin because you're not consuming food.